Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn 10 lines on good manners. So first one, children have good manners. Children have good manners. Next one, good manners makes the children a good person. Good manners makes the children a good person. Third one, they should respect others. They should respect others. Fourth one, kids with good manners always speak truth. Kids with good manners always speak truth. Fifth one, they should always speak politely with everyone. They should always speak politely with everyone. Sixth one, they should not be a nuisance. They should not be a nuisance. Seventh one, students with good manners should maintain cleanliness. Students with good manners should maintain cleanliness. Eighth one, they should always obey their parents. They should always obey their parents. Ninth one, they should never make fun of others. They should never make fun of others. A last one. Kids with good manners always try to help others. Kids with good manners always try to help others. Thank you. If you are new to this channel, please like my videos and subscribe my channel. Thank you.